The Bryant heat pump running in heat mode. It's 2-ton from 1990. 2019 Carrier air conditioners. These two are straight cool. Carrier CKC. Millennium scroll compressor. Another Bryant. It's from 1998, 5-ton. Another 1998 5-ton Bryant heat pump. Scroll compressor. Copeland. 2016 3-ton. 2016 Heil heat pump. 2-ton, I'm pretty sure this is running in heat mode. Oh, that's in cool mode. Interesting. And a 1998 Bryant heat pump. This one's a 2-ton. Heat mode. And a pump star. This one's got an LG scroll compressor. Piece of junk. It's a 4-ton. And there's that Train XB13 heat pump over there. Filmed that one before. I guess out.